everybody. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. It is a beautiful early Sunday morning. What a great time to experiment. I have got some of these beautiful pre-mixed Master's Touch paints, and we're going to do a little experiment with them. Let's go through the colors. I've got this gorgeous Golden Sunlight. This one is Iridescent Fluorescent Pink. You can see kind of a sheen in there. I have Powerful Pink. Oh, I like the name of that. We have a Pearlized Red. Kind of has a burgundy tint to it. I'm going to use a little bit of the Pearlized White. And then I've mixed the three colors of these three colors, and got kind of a pearly pinky color in between all of them. So we are going to lay down the paints. I'm just going to start with a little of this. And I'm just doing a regular flower pop today. Whenever I'm testing, I do like to not mix testing a new flower plus a new product, because it's really hard to determine then if it's going to work. I am not mixing anything in these ready mix paints. I am just going to use them in hope. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. I'm going to have to get more of that. That is luscious. You better hope it works. I'm using a lot. If it doesn't, it'll be a lot of money wasted. They are not cheap, I will tell you that. $7.99 for a bottle. But I had a gift card, and that's what I chose to use. Okay, I think we're doing good. Some of this white. A little bit more. And because this says red, I haven't used it yet. I'm just going to put some of this. It looks really dark. And the key here is for it to be really bright, I think. We'll see. All right. Okay, I haven't used it all. Let's go ahead. Let's spread this out and see what we get with these colors. I have not used the ready mix paints. I think I bought a white and a black, thinking I could swipe with them on my flower pops, but I don't remember if I've tried it. And as I was doing this, I said, what should I swipe with? Should I swipe with black and then do the flowers in white? Decisions. Okay. And again, I don't want to use a whole lot of this because if it doesn't work, I'm going to be able to have some to experiment again. Looks pretty. Get all these bubbles out. All right, let's see. I really do need to cover some of these edges here, even though we're going to swipe. Get some of this paint. And I get it with pre-mixed paints. They can be a little bit pricey because, you're not having to pay for the medium. Medium's already in it, so I get it. I want it to work if I'm going to pay with the medium in it. I did get the Pearl line of this brand as well, so that'll be a tester coming up. Okay, all right. I think I love that. All right, now I'm not going to use they're black for swiping. Excuse me, I don't think I even purchased the black this time. No, I don't. I think I only have the white. Oh well, either way, I am going to use just regular Artist Loft black as my swipe. And pray that I'm making a good decision. What I was hoping is that I would get some brightness through the black. All right, let's torch. Okay. And we're going to use a shop towel today. I have a double one, I think. All right. Let's see the width of the towel. Okay, let's wet it. We're going to dampen it real quick so that it'll stick to the paint a little bit better. All right, and I'm going to hold it taut, place it in the black, let it set. I'm going to pull low. I really, okay, not bad. All right, hope you can see. Make sure my camera's got the whole thing in view. Okay, here we go. I'm going to kind of rock it up. Get some of this black off the edges, and we're just creating, like I always say, the background. For this flower pop. So let's get that corner. There we go. Just don't want it to be too uneven. Ooh, I like that. What do you think? Very cool. All right. Oh yeah, pretty. Okay, look at this background. It's beautiful. We're just gonna do a straight up flower pop. Nothing, the test here is going to be on these paints. Let me cover them all. And here we go. Let's start kind of off center, I think. I'm gonna do one here. And here. Very little. Okay. We got good old Puffy.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Wow, look at these flowers. I mean, it looks so real. I'm so impressed so far with these paints. I will say, I did get some other colors, and I really believe that they might be a little bit too thick. I think that when I have used other ready mixed paints, I've had to water them down some. So I can see where there's a couple areas that concern me as I'm going through and fiddling with the petals and the stems. So most likely, when I use the other colors that I got, I water it down. I do think that I'll get a little bit of cracking in this, but it's hard to tell until it dries. So, all right, let's go through and finish these petals, and I'm going to bring you down here very soon for a close-up. As I'm looking at it, I think I'm going to do a small flower first. So we'll go through that, and then we'll see a close-up and final results. I'll see you there. Okay, I'm finishing this up. I'm going through and I'm just adding a little bit of touches here right where the stem and the flowers meet. Just wanting to give it a little bit more of a connection between the two. The colors are phenomenal. I absolutely love this. We're going to go down here for a close-up. Look at the beautiful distinction of these petals, and I guess I fibbed a little bit. This isn't a standard flower pop. This is more of a cluster flower. I just love it. I was going to add one more but decided to stop here, and I cannot wait to show you the dried results. I will see you there. Okay, it is dry, and we are going to see those final results. My husband actually did varnish, and it is gorgeous. This is spray varnish. I am so in love with this end result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Amoretta means little love. I absolutely love this beautiful painting. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your comments. Hit that bell so that you don't miss any of my flower pops. If you're already subscribed, and I would love to have any new subscribers. It really helps my channel grow. So take care, everyone. Till next time.